Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, FK Tech. Today we will be looking at the Polestar O2 concept EV. Polestar has unveiled a new electric roadster concept called the O2. This is his sleek, four-seater electric sports car with a design inspired by the Precept concept and the upcoming Polestar 5. Stay tuned to get all we know about this car. New Polestar O2 concept unveiled. Expanding on the design language introduced with the Precept concept car, the Polestar O2 is a retractable hardtop 2+2 with a focus on driving experience and sustainability. Underneath the O2's angular bodywork is a rigid bonded aluminum chassis propelled by an electric drivetrain. In order to meet Polestar's goal of carbon neutrality, the O2's aluminum components are smelted using renewable energy and are marked by alloy grade, allowing for the parts to be separated and recycled for less waste. The O2 electric sports car has a built-in cinematic drone that deploys to autonomously. Sleek electric roadster. Preview of the design theme of the upcoming Polestar 5. Range 310 miles. Integrated cinematic drone. Possible release around 2024. The Polestar O2 concept has been announced. This is an electric roadster that shows what the Swedish brand's future electric vehicles could look like, including his Polestar 5 of the future. New design for the Polestar O2 concept. The new Polestar O2 concept has a lot in common with the Precept concept from a few years ago, and there's nothing wrong with that. The front has a bold LED-lit design without a bulky grille. This minimalist theme continues throughout the car. The rear features a full-width light bar and ultra-thin LED taillights. There's also a metal folding hardtop that gives it a coupe-like side profile. Interior of the new Polestar O2 concept. Polestar's engineers have developed a specialized airfoil that rises behind the rear seats to create a calm area of negative pressure that would allow the drone to take off when the car is on the move. Once in flight, the drone would then operate autonomously, following the car at speeds up to 56 miles per hour. Polestar says that it isn't just aiming to elevate the driving experience for an electric sports convertible, but give drivers the ability to record it. The drone is shown to be housed in the rear of the O2 in a specially designed compartment. The Polestar O2's interior appears to have been carried over from the previous Precept concept. That said, it's a fairly minimalist design with a giant screen in the center of the dashboard, similar to what's on the new Polestar 2. There's also a cinematic drone behind the back seat that can be deployed on the go. It is designed to take photos and videos for SNS. New Polestar O2 concept motor and battery. No official details have been released regarding the battery offered by the O2 concept, but we can safely assume that it will be used in conjunction with the upcoming Polestar 5. Pricing and availability of the new Polestar O2 concept. The Polestar O2 is currently only a concept, so we don't yet know when it will go on sale. Polestar 5 is due to go on sale in 2024, so this convertible could come soon after that. As for the price, I don't know how much it will be at this point. Expect about £100,000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button, so as to get notified when I publish my next video.